following video shows how to run a search of the devices connected to the loop. Press the Home key, then press the F5 key and enter the installer password. In this menu, press key number 1, press key number 1 again, and then press the number 1 auto registration key. In here, we should indicate which loop we want to identify or check and confirm with the F5 key. Once it is 100% finished, the panel will reset. To assign the input devices to different zones, press number 2 key in the menu. Use the arrows or pointer to assign the different zones to the devices. Confirm with the F5 key and press the F6 key to exit to the main screen. To assign descriptions to the devices, press the number 3 key on the menu, the lasso number, and which devices you want to edit. Once here, use the alphanumeric buttons to switch to numbers, uppercase or lowercase letters and characters. Using the numeric keypad, you can type the text you desire. With the function keys, you can switch to the next device, record or delete, and once finished, press the F key to save and the F6 key to exit to the main screen. To assign devices to output groups, press the number 4 key in the menu, assign the output number to which we want the device to belong, and press the F5 key to confirm the changes and F6 to exit to the main screen.